Hey guys, the time has come for me to send out my last video of the year and trying not to burst into tears. Yesterday I tried to record the video and I was playing around with it and there was an option to add music and I clicked on the first song and it was like this sad acoustic song and I was just like, closed my computer. I was like, yeah, I'm not working today, sorry. So anyways, I wanted to go through this video is for period 1, Honors Chem. So I decided to split up our videos so that I could be a little bit more specific for you guys because not every class is exactly the same, and we know that. So I guess first and foremost, this is my 9th year teaching. And I know that we ended the year a little early, but I did want to thank all of you because I think this was my favorite year ever. even though we ended a little bit early, obviously, and I wasn't able to spend the whole year with you guys. I had so much fun, and that's something that as a teacher, you know you're doing the right thing and you know your class is great if you are truly having fun and you forget that it's work. So I just want to thank you guys for that. And then before I start bursting into tears, I'm going to go ahead and get into our Superlative Awards. So I do these every year, and I will make sure that I email you guys the actual file. So those of you who want an award, if you would like to print it out, you can. I usually do print them out, but unfortunately this year, obviously, I mean, I can print it out, but you ain't getting it, so I figured I might as well do it this way. So anyways, I'm going to go through the awards pretty quickly, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So I guess my last announcements, in case I burst into tears before the end of the video, make sure that if you are planning on doing your final project, if your grade is at a point that you feel like you're comfortable and you're not going to do it, well, that's your decision. I was very careful not to call it optional because I was like, well, I made the assignment, so it's not optional. But at the same time, obviously, you don't have to do it. So you can call it whatever you want to call it. But anyways, so I am wanting all of those to be submitted by tomorrow, Thursday, so that I can be done with everything. I'm checking out of my classroom tomorrow, so that's going to be weird, but hopefully if we all can't go back into school next year, hopefully at least some of us will be able to, or hey, at least I'll be able to, hopefully, so that I can actually record better videos than sitting in my chair in the corner of my room, which is weird. All right, anyways, so first superlative for our class is the Cation Award. So these are the awards I've been giving out for probably about 4 or 5 years. They modify just slightly, but the Cation Award is an award for someone who I always felt like had a positive attitude, even if they weren't always saying the most positive things, and you'll know what I mean. They were always very positive about it. So I wanted to say thank you and congratulations to Lily Toler. So again, specifically to you, I had a great time this year with all of your fun banter, and like I said, sometimes like myself, you were saying some sassy things, but you say them in a positive way, and then people don't know that you're being sassy to them. Good. All right, so the next award is the Covalent Bond Award, and this is an award that I usually give to someone who, throughout the year, I noticed almost felt to me like a teacher's aide, meaning that person, every time I'd look at their table when we were working on something, that person was kind of leading a discussion on it or helping the people at their table with it, and then obviously sometimes needing help themselves, but that's okay, and that's what it's all about. And that person that I chose for this is Luka. Congratulations. So again, I always felt like whatever table you were at, I knew they were in good hands if I was on the other side of the room, because I knew that you were always very attentive and helpful to the people around you. All right, the next one is Einstein's E=mc² award, which, if we recall, is the equation for calculating the energy that can be released when mass converts to energy at the speed of light, E=mc². Anyways, it's a nuclear chem thing if you forgot. So long story short, this is essentially the highest average, or the student that ended up being the most academically successful in terms of numbers. Obviously, we all have different experiences and different journeys, but the numbers say it. It's Abby C. So thank you so much for your hard work this year. And I was very proud of all of your work and your attitude about it and how you were dedicated to do everything. And even when things were optional, you were right there doing them. So, hey, it shows. Outstanding. Good job. All right, and the next one I give is an endothermic award. And this endothermic meaning like in, like within. This award I always give to someone who I feel like I noticed very frequently had good interactions with people and good interactions with me, but wasn't always the most talkative. And some of you may say that maybe I just wasn't looking at the right time. But from my experience, that was Scott. Okay. So even though you were always late, when you did make it to class, you were always a very valuable person in the class and very strong with your academic ability and with your ability to help others. Okay. All right, so last couple awards. So the next one is the Stoichiometry Award. And the Stoichiometry Award is the award that I award to the student who I felt like went through some tough times maybe and was really challenged by certain things in the class, but ultimately pulled through and I think amazed themselves as much as they amazed me in their ability to really produce some quality work. Especially towards the second half of the year. So this was a tough one for me, and I was not able to choose one person, so I chose two, okay? Because both of you I had experiences with in that situation where you struggle with things here and there, and then were able to overcome and, completely make me so proud of your abilities. So the first one is Sophie. And so that, she knows. We had that conversation. So we had struggles throughout the year sometimes, but you always were able to be willing to ask to overcome it and learn how to. And I am extremely proud of you. The second student that had a very similar trajectory is Rohan. So I know that hopefully you both are happy with how your grade turned out, but I know from my heart that you both really put in the time to make sure that your learning was what was growing, and making sure you knew what you were doing and why you were doing it. And then the last award I have is the Alkali Metal Award. Now, the description of this award sounds like a read, and the person that's going to receive it is probably going to take it as a read. But I describe it as someone who always has an explosive and reactive personality, and I don't mean that in a bad way. Let's be clear to this person. But an explosive or reactive personality, meaning someone who is always just knows what they feel, knows what they want, and expresses that. And that's a positive trait. Sometimes obviously we know that we don't always need to always say exactly what's on our mind, but I was never really offended by this situation. And definitely, I think, there could be more than one person that is eligible for this award, but through our personal relationship growth throughout the year, because we started not the best of friends, and I think as the year went on, it got a lot better. And that person I chose is Natalie. So again, those of you who are friends with Natalie are probably laughing because you're like, oh my gosh. But we know that me and you specifically butted heads at the beginning of the year. We had little things here and there. And then as the year went on, I feel like our friendship really got strong. And I was very proud of your ability to accept that you don't have to love everything about chemistry. You can succeed and be successful and learn something about it regardless of whether or not it's your passion. So anyways, if you were not included in any of these, it doesn't mean I don't love you. It just means you're not special. No, I'm just kidding. It just means, I don't like giving participation awards to everyone, like whatever. So know that I love all of you. I pray that you will come and visit me next year because whenever that is, whether it's in August or whether it's in January, once we're back in the school, I want to be able to officially say goodbye to you guys. So I know that it's tough, and I know that we have all struggled through this time. Sorry, and I'm extremely proud of you guys. And good luck. Okay, bye.